Welcome to the channel where we bring you the latest updates on the most anticipated games hitting the market soon. Today, we are thrilled to share with you a sneak peek into the world of upcoming games developed by Remedy Entertainment, a renowned game studio known for their innovative storytelling and immersive gameplay experiences. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure, solve intricate puzzles, and engage in heart-pounding action with Remedy's upcoming game releases. On the first story, we have news about the upcoming Max Payne 1 and 2 remake to go into full production during the second quarter of 2024. This game is gonna be a full-blown remake using the Northlight engine and will be a ground-up remake. Additionally, codenamed Kestrel, Remedy's upcoming multiplayer is also in concept stage, which is still years from coming out. As for Control 2, Remedy said it is focused on finalizing proof of concept stage and expects the game to move into full production during second quarter of this year. Maybe during June, and considering Control 1 was a hit, they are putting a lot of effort into making the game cater to its fan base. Elsewhere in the report, the studio stated that Alan Wake 2 has now recouped a significant part of its development and marketing cost, but it is still to make a profit. Remedy still has two DLCs planned for Alan Wake, Night Springs and The Lake House, both of which the team has been focusing on during this first quarter of 2024. Considering Alan Wake 2 was one of the best games of 2024, it isn't a shock there are people still working on the DLC coming ahead. So, if you want news like this, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.